Hey, quickly grab a pen and a paper. I want to show you a three-step formula that will enable you generate a high income online without learning any complicated tech skills, so you can finally start living the life you truly deserve. I'll wait a second so you grab a pen. Imagine this scenario. What if you suddenly became an internet entrepreneur who consistently generates a high income online? What if you never have to work for anyone and still afford everything you want? What if you could free your loved one from a life of constant lack, no matter how high the cost of living is? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I used to think so too, until it happened to me. In just a few years, I went from being a broke photographer who couldn't afford diapers when my first daughter was born to now generating over 300 million naira online. I've also used this exact same strategy I'm about to show you to create a steady stream of income on the internet, one that gives me the freedom to pursue my passions, provide my daughters with the childhood I never had. And the thing that got me there is information marketing. I know, you are confused, but let me explain. If you had a laptop in the early days, the only way you can browse on the internet is by getting one of this modem. And the problem with this modem is that when you buy it from MTN, you can only use an MTN SIM on it. So what I did back then was I was able to find a way on the internet to crack this modem so it can use multiple SIMs. So I started using Airtel, Etisalat, and all the rest SIMs on this modem. And people started asking me, how did you do it? So I went on to write this ebook where I was teaching people how they can literally hack their own modem. This ebook I was selling for about 2,600 naira at the time, and it went on to generate me over 5 million naira in the space of, I think, 7 to 8 months. And I used the same strategy to also create another ebook, which is Make Money Your Slave. You see, back in the day, I was struggling with how to save money. So I was making a lot of money, but then again, I was just spending my money because I come from poverty. So when you come from poverty, they don't teach you how to really manage money so that you can really invest it the right way to grow your finances. So I was able to write this book, which taught people how they can literally avoid going broke no matter how much they make. This book went on to generate me over 10 million naira in sales. I went on to create online courses in different niches, like how to build your mindset and other things that has to do with some of the knowledge I had back in the day. You see, here's the truth you don't know. Everybody is looking for solutions to their problems online. Whether it's how to start a business, overcome shyness, or make someone fall in love. And the key ingredient for creating solutions is information. And the best part is people are willing to pay good money for the right information, which you can package and sell to them. And you don't need to have any technical skill to do this, or even be the most intelligent person to be able to get this kind of result. All you need is to follow a simple three-step formula, and here it is. The first thing you want to do is identify a specific problem that people are facing. You see, this problem could be something you've experienced yourself or something you notice that others are struggling with. The key here is to make sure it's a real pain point, something that keeps people up at night. Maybe it's how to manage finances better, how to get fit without going to the gym, or even how to prepare for an important exam. The truth is, it doesn't really matter. When you find a problem that a lot of people are facing, you found your starting point. This is crucial because solving a real problem is the foundation of any successful business. And the best part is, AI can help you find real problems that people want to solve. Now, once you've identified that problem, it's time to create a solution. That brings us to the second step in this formula. And here's where things get exciting because you don't have to do it all by yourself. You can leverage AI to help you get this process right. Whether it's generating ideas, writing an ebook, creating contents, or even putting together an online course, AI can make the process much easier and faster. For example, if the problem is about managing finances, you could use AI to create a budgeting template, guides, or even an interactive tool that can get people results. The key here is to create something valuable that directly addresses the problem you've identified. Make sure your solution is clearly laid out in a step-by-step process that can guide the individual to solve the problem on their own. It must be simple, straightforward, and very easy to implement. When this is done correctly, you can move to the third step in this formula, which is promote and sell it as a digital product. Once you've got your solution ready, it's time to get it out there. Convert it into a digital product. This could be an ebook, a video course, an online workshop, or even a webinar. The beauty of digital products is that they are easy to create and they can be delivered immediately to a global audience. When you are done, use social media ads or partner with influencers to get your products in front of the right people. Many of you don't know that Facebook, Instagram, and all these social media platforms are simply advertisement platforms that you can pay to promote whatever thing you are selling. And here's the best part. Once it's out there, it can keep making money for you even while you sleep. Listen, there's no better business model than doing this one I've just showed you. And the best part is once you create one digital product, that one can make you money continuously even while you sleep. This same 3-step formula has helped me generate over 300 million naira on the internet. And now that you know what to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I've created something called the Digital Business Launchpad. This contains everything you need to launch your first successful online business in the next 30 days. It contains 4 online courses, 1 ebook, and access to my private mastermind community. Here's everything you are getting when you get this Digital Business Launchpad. The first thing you're getting is a Knowledge to Profit with AI Masterclass. This will help you turn information into cash using AI in less than 30 days. It's a 6-week step-by-step masterclass that will show you how to use AI to identify problems, create solutions, and sell those solutions online to people who need them. So you can start earning a high income online that gives you time and location freedom. Listen, the best part of this is you can work from your home and generate a good income at your own convenience. So the first thing you're getting is the Knowledge to Profit with AI Masterclass. The second thing you are getting is a complete online marketing bootcamp. This program will equip you with proven strategy to generate massive sales online, so you can print money on the internet whenever you want. Listen, if you've wasted money in the past trying to figure out how to make money on the internet, then this program breaks down the entire process on how you can start marketing online, which is one of the best skill sets to have in this era right now. So that means you're getting the Knowledge to Profit with AI and the complete marketing bootcamp. The third thing you are getting is a Dreamers Edge self-improvement course. This program will help you discover what you want most in life, then give you the proven tools and strategy that will enable you achieve it, so you don't spend your life working hard in vain and end up in regrets like so many of our parents do. The greatest struggle for so many people is really getting themselves to know exactly what they want. And this program is going to show you how to identify what you are meant to do with your life and how you can accomplish it. So you are getting the Knowledge to Profit with AI, the Complete Marketing Bootcamp, and the Dreamers Edge program. The fourth thing you are getting is the Undefeatable You ebook. This book will help you unleash the greatest and most confident version of yourself, so you can conquer self-doubt and maximize your potential for success. One of the things that stops so many people from doing what they need to do to create the life they want is self-doubt. They are living in a fearful state. And this book walks you through the process where you can build the confidence you need, the beliefs you need to be able to crush your life goals and get the things you want. That means you're getting the Knowledge to Profit with AI, the Complete Marketing Bootcamp, the Dreamers Edge, and the Undefeatable You ebook. The fifth thing you are getting is a pay-to-learn mentorship program. This program will help you unlock the power of earning while mastering valuable skills that will transform your life, so you can start making money immediately, even before fully implementing what you are learning. You see, one of the things I see with so many students is that when they are learning a skill or trying to figure out how to build a particular business, they get frustrated because perhaps they are in a state whereby they just want to make money. So I've created a system that will pay you while you are learning these valuable skills. How beautiful is that? So you are getting paid to learn skills that will change your life. That means you are getting the Knowledge to Profit with AI, the Complete Marketing Bootcamp, the Dreamers Edge program, the Undefeatable You ebook, and the Pay to Profit with AI mentorship program. And the sixth thing you are getting is the Digital Income University Private Mastermind Community. This will give you access to my private mastermind community of like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you in your journey, so you never have to walk alone or trap yourself in a circle of small-minded individuals. The one thing I see with so many people is that when you start building your life, you see that you are the only one in that journey, and that can be really frustrating. That's why I've created this mastermind community for individuals to network, to get to know themselves, and build real relationship that can help you foster growth and create success quicker. That means you are getting the Knowledge to Profit with AI, the complete online marketing bootcamp, the Dreamers Edge program, the Undefeatable You ebook, Pay to Learn mentorship program, and the private mastermind community. Yes, I know it's a lot. I want you to understand that the Knowledge to Profit AI is valued at 247,000 naira. Of course, that's not what you're going to pay. And the online marketing bootcamp is valued at 447,000 naira. And the Dreamers Edge program is valued at 197,000 naira. And the ebook is valued at 9,997,000 naira. And the Pay to Mentorship program is valued at 67,000 naira. And the value of the private mastermind community is priceless. That brings everything you are getting to a total value of 967,997 naira. I know this is a lot, but this is not what you are going to pay. I created this program because I want to help the younger version of myself get access to information that will help them change their life. And the younger version of myself do not have 997,000 naira to pay for a program. So you are not going to be paying this amount. In fact, I wanted to make the price 259,000 naira, but don't worry, you're not going to pay that amount because I know things are hard right now. So what I'm going to do for you is give you a once in a lifetime offer. Get everything I just mentioned for 34,639 naira, which is less than $30. And in case you're wondering, what if you make payment and you realize that everything you are learning is total crap? I want to assure you that you have a zero risk, 100% money back guarantee. That means if you don't love the program, or if you feel like the thing you bought was not valuable, just write to me and I'm going to refund your money back 100%, and you still get to keep the program. So I'm not going to take anything from you, so you can shit me if you want. All I'm just saying is make payment today, get the training, and if it doesn't give you value, just write to me and I'll send you your money. So claim your copy now and save over 224,361 naira. That means instead of paying 259 naira for the program, all you're just paying today is 34,639 naira. And with this discount and the love it or keep it free guarantee, you cannot lose. So click the button below and get started today. And just so you know that this program actually works, I want you to watch these videos of some of my students who have gone through these programs in the past. Watch.
I remember 2 years ago when I started creating content online, but nothing to show for it financially. Until last year when I came across this man, Dr. Charles Ebi, on TikTok. I sent him a message and we set up a meeting in Abuja. After I met this man, my life changed totally. The amount of information and knowledge I acquired that day was so transformative. And God is my witness that since that day to this present moment, I have made millions online applying in Saturdays.
Do you want to know the truth about your course, Charles Ed Dreams? To be frankly speaking, I'm building a business empire online. Through this your course, it has really impacted me.
A man named Charles Ed Dreams. He changed my life completely with Ed Dreams University. Please do everything within your capacity to enroll in this university and turn your life around.
Hello, Dr. Charles. I want to specially thank you for all the help that you rendered me through your course. When I go through the course, I realized that this is a very, very important material that every young person out there need in order for him to take himself to greater height.
Hey Dreams, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I used to be a Tyler, but right now you can see I'm overseas. I'm doing very well, working and making a good living. So very big thank you to Dr. Dreams for everything. Thanks for your coaching and everything you taught me. You impacted my life.
This program from Dr. Charles have helped me here. It have changed some certain thing in my life that also is affecting my business I have in Nigeria positively also.
I'm one of Dr. Charles Ed Dreams' students. I just recently enrolled last month. Dr. Charles Ed Dreams, he broke down everything into detail to the point that any newbies can pick it up and run with it.
I just enrolled in one of Dr. Charles' course. He delivered exactly the same thing that said he's going to deliver. When I finish and go through the course after I pay for the money, I feel like he was supposed to charge more for the course. It's not what I expected. It blew my mind.
Currently, I engaged in Dr. Charles' program
Personally, in my life, the course has really helped me a lot because it has given me an understanding of how things work on the internet. I thank God that I took the risk to engage myself in the program, and definitely it was worth it all. I didn't regret paying for any of his courses.
About Dr. Charles' program, if you really want to start making money online, Dr. Charles' program is something you should actually devote your time and money in.
So you see that these guys cannot all be lying, and I can bombard you with lots of testimonials, but this is not about them, it's about your own journey. So click the button below, get started for just 34,639 naira, which is less than $30. Get started now, get access to the program, and start building your online business so you can live life on your terms. Click the button below and get started. I will see you inside.